Further Legacy Leader Awards. This award honors students that have demonstrated a high caliber of leadership achievement, persistence, and significantly contributed toward building a community. I would also like to reference back to our previous videos, which showed further legacy leaders. And so we will now get into the presenters for Computer Science Club, Cooking Club, Cru Club, Global Student Ambassadors, Hospitality and Tourism Management, and Inter-Cultural Center Peer Facilitators.
Hi, my name is Syeda Nizami, and I'm so pleased to present you Marcela Huang with the Legacy Leader Award for Computer Science. As a female leader in our CS club, you have left a lasting legacy for other females in our department. As an active leader, Marcela hosted many workshops to help computer science students learn programming and complete their projects. Marcela not only participated in coding competitions, she also helped in organizing these events. Marcela sets an example to other young females who are pursuing computer science degree. As you continue your journey now in Paul G. Allen School as a computer science BAS major, I know you will continue to lead your peers in college with your CS brilliance and genuine leadership. Congratulations. And I'm so pleased to announce Second Legacy Leader Award to Hassan for computer science. Hassan has been an active leader and have performed so many CS workshops and hosted computer science club meetings. Hassan is not only a 4.0 student but also a great leader. He participated in many coding competitions and presented Highline on different platforms. Hassan has made a lasting legacy on our department and college. As you continue your journey as a CS major, I know you will continue to strive for excellence with your genuine leadership and CS brilliance. Congratulations, Hassan.
Hello, my name is Tatiana, and as a cooking club advisor, I would like to present the Legacy Leader Awards to the Cooking Club President, Leah Sosa, and the Vice President, Katie. Cooking Club is a very special club for me because I was running this club when I was a Highline College student a few years ago. It is such a joy for me to see that the club is still active and students from different countries with different backgrounds come together to learn from each other and make new friends and have some good food. Katie, I would like to thank you for helping our students in the club, before the club and after the club, helping with shopping and preparing everything for the club members. Thank you also for taking care of our students and cleaning up after all, because I know that usually people leave before they have to clean. So thanks for staying until the end, and thanks for creating the kind and very warm atmosphere in the club. Thank you for your kindness. Celia, you are such an amazing, strong, and multitasking leader. I appreciate you a lot. You know that. Thank you for keeping the Cooking Club alive and making our students happy. And special thanks, very special thanks for supporting our students online this quarter. Of course, you cannot share food through Zoom, but it would be awesome. But who knows, maybe in the future, those technologies are developing very fast. Who knows? But I heard a lot how much happiness and positive emotions you share through Zoom. Our students are so excited. They have an opportunity to see each other because they miss their friends, they miss campus, they miss instructors, they cannot wait to return to Highline. And such a great opportunity to meet and talk to friends and discuss and share their emotions and feelings. Thank you so much for Center Leadership Service to providing this opportunity. And thank you, Celia, and thank you, Katie, for doing this for our students. So your award is well deserved. Congratulations.
Hello everyone, my name is Min Chung. I work at the Center for Leadership and Service as a community leadership consultant. Today I've been given the privilege of presenting a Student Legacy Award to one of the many amazing student leaders that we have here at Highline College. Through the past 2 years that I've worked at the CLC, I have seen this student leader show tremendous leadership qualities. We admire the dedication that this student leader puts into her club through consistent weekly meetings and tabling events. We can always count on them to be an active member in the Highline community. Even during times like this, when student involvement is a challenge, this student leader was one of the first few people to reach out to us to ask if she can hold online meetings for our club. She has created a caring environment through her passion, fostering community around faith. I am honored to present the Student Legacy Award to the president of Cru Club, Melissa Wilson.
My name is Georgia Pirie, and I'm a leadership advisor in the Center for Leadership and Service. Along with Geomark Pinello, we have the pleasure of presenting this next Student Legacy Award to Danny Wynn. Danny has served as a global student ambassador for the past academic year. Her role has helped create spaces at Highline where our global community can come together in song, dance, and the shared experience of being a Thunderbird. Especially this quarter, Danny has shown a dedication to the Highline global community by becoming even more dedicated to her position than she was before. Informed by her identities, Danny launched a bi-monthly conversation series called The Culture Exchange. In this space, Danny leads students in dialogue and encourages them to share aspects of their own cultures related to food, music, art, and even how education is viewed and valued across the globe. Congrats, Danny, on a year of hard work and this well-deserved award.
Howdy, Lingxi. How are you doing? I am so excited to be presenting you with the Big Pineapple Award for host. Everything that you have done over the past year and a half, 2 years with us here in host has just been incredible. The grades that you get are awesome, obviously, but far beyond that, we're so impressed with who you are as a person, how no matter what classroom you enter, you automatically become the leader of that classroom, and how you help people who need the help. That is why the moment you show up to work at the airport where you were working and everything, automatically people are just drawn to you and your hospitality personality, your professionalism, and how you connect with people in real and meaningful ways. When the host faculty got together to decide who was going to be our legacy award winners and, well, the Big Pineapple for the year, your name just came up over and over and over again, because we all know who you are deep down. You are a true hospitality personality. From the very first moment I met you, when you were in my office, you were professional but hospitality. And there's no one who deserves more being the Big Pineapple than you. Congratulations on everything. You're going to do amazing things in the future in this industry.
Talofa Highline. My name is Edwina Fui, and I work in the Center for Cultural and Inclusive Excellence as the Inter-Cultural Center Leadership Advisor. I'm super excited and honored to share a little bit about our Student Leader of the Year. And so as a collective, I did ask our director and a few of our team members to add just a couple of words to describe this individual. In the ICC, our mission statement really is to build community, through authentic dialogue, courageous dialogue, while also celebrating the identities of all of our students. Another piece of that mission statement is for our leaders to become social change agents through peer mentorship and community building. And so this person that we selected, we feel embodies all of that. We've seen their growth from the beginning of the year to the end, and has done just amazing programs that really center social justice and what it means to be within that framework. And so this person also is just really great at supporting their team members, has a friendly smile, and is just always just willing to build new friendships on a daily basis. And so without further ado, I would like Highline to help me to announce our ICC Student Leader of the Year. Virtual drum roll. Our leader is Cesar Madrigal. Congratulations, Cesar. We appreciate all that you are to this team, and we wish you well on your next steps in your journey. Thank you.
Congratulations to all of our winners. We will now be getting to further Legacy Leader Awards.